Questions 3 and 4 say use the laws of logarithms to expand the expression. So here I have log base 2 of a times b squared. So I want to use the product rule to expand this. So this will be log base 2 of a plus log base 2 of b squared. So when you have two things being multiplied on the inside of a logarithm, you can split it up using the product rule into two logarithms with an addition sign. Our last step is going to be to use the power rule to bring that 2 down out in front. So what I mean is the log base 2 of a, that's going to stay the same, but the 2 that's the exponent of the b is going to actually come down as a coefficient. So this will be log base 2 of b with a 2 out in front. So that's going to be our final answer. So this is equivalent to the original problem, just in its expanded form. For number 4, we want to use the product rule, and there's actually 3 things being multiplied here. We have the 2, we have the x, and we have the y. So that 2 counts as its own thing. So this is going to be log base 3 of 2 plus log base 3 of x plus log base 3 of y. So the product rule can be used to expand more than just 2 terms. You can expand it into however many terms there are that are being multiplied. So in this case, 3 different logarithms. And that'll be our answer.